So Frankie made a little mistake. Tant pis. Tell me how much money he owes. I'll write you a check.
So far, it's $1.4 million.
It sounds like Frankie's good at this.
If you were hoping to raise a crook, you should be very proud.
I always knew I'd see this day. I can't say it's a shock. What's that expression? Qu'est-ce que c'est? He's a chip off the old block. But if you see him, please pass on this plea. Don't be a stranger. Tell him that for me. My Frankie had a clever mind. He could spend hours all alone. I wouldn't have been surprised to find he'd changed his diaper on his own. Could I have been there more? Well, c'est la vie. Don't be a stranger. Tell him that for me. Though I tried, I couldn't hide when love had flown away. Children close their eyes, but still they see. I took a chance, a new romance. Is it a crime to say I made that choice and chose what's best for me? His father had a head for dreams, but not the Midas touch. His father had a million schemes, but dollars, not so much. You want the apple, go look for the tree. But don't be a stranger, tell him that for me.
I used to have what made her smile. Now it's all been spent. I've tons of charm, I'm lousy with style that don't pay the rent. If you spot her out there on the street, tell her don't be a stranger. Tell her that I used to be a prince to her. This prince has lost his crown. I brought her laughs she wanted fur. No wonder love fell down. Arrest the clown who said the best things in life are free. Then don't be a stranger. Tell her that for me. One more round at the lost and found. That's if you got dough. Happy hour is suddenly last call.
Eyes are dry, I said goodbye. So many tears ago.
The past is just a photo on the wall. I guess to you I seem a schmuck. Well, I'll just bide my time.
Love always fair.
'Cause I believe that Lady Luck can still turn on a dime.
Come on again.
Maybe one will once again be three.
C'est ce que j'ai toujours dit.
Don't be a stranger. Tell them that